In this video, I will tell you about erase, explode and overkill command of AutoCAD. So here we have these two geometries. In the first case, we have this as a block, and we'll learn about blocks later on in this course. But for now, just assume that a block is a single entity here, and it is made up of many different drawing objects which we have seen so far. We have this arc here, we have the line segment, and all of these objects combine together to make a single block. But in this case, we have this object made up of simple object. In this case, we have this rectangle, we have these line segments and an arc. So they are completely separate from each other. Now, if you want to break any object and if you want to convert it into its simplest form, then you can use the explode tool. In this case, we have this block, and when you click on this block, we'll find that here we have a single grip and it's completely behaving as a single object. In order to break it into different parts, simply select the explode tool, and here we have this explode tool. Select the explode tool, click on the object and press enter. And now move to this object, and you'll notice that now it has been reduced to its separate units. We can now select all of these objects separately, even though it was a block initially. In a similar way, if you click on this rectangle, you'll find that it's completely a single polyline and it has 4 different line segments. But you can also explode this geometry to reduce it into its simplest form. So once again, select the explode tool, click on this rectangle and press enter. And now when you click on this object, you'll notice that it's a single line segment, and similarly all the objects have been broken down into their simplest segments. In order to erase any of these objects, you can select the erase tool from the modify panel and then select the complete set of objects and press enter. So that will erase the objects. Or you can also use the alternate method, which is selecting the objects and pressing the delete key on your keyboard. There is also one more method, and that's simply selecting the object and deleting it from the right contextual menu. So you can select any of these options for erasing an object. When making any drawing, there will be conditions when you'll make some overlapping geometries. For example, in this case, we have the simple geometry which is made with single segments everywhere. But what if we need to make some overlapping geometries? For example, I've selected the line tool, and now I've clicked at this point, and now I need to take reference of that point, so that's why I click there. And now from that point I need to select a distance of, let's say, 60 units. So I'll type 60, press enter, and now I need to move upwards and I need to enter a distance of 150 units, press enter, and now I need to join it with this point. So now in this case, you know that we have an overlapping line here which is above this line, and in a similar way there may be situations where you need to create many overlapping geometries. So you can manually remove those overlapping geometries, but that will take time. But there is a direct method in AutoCAD that can be used to remove all the overlapping geometries, and that's overkill. So go to the modify panel, expand it, and select this overkill option. You can also use its command equivalent, which is overkill, and then select the complete set of objects and press enter. Now don't change anything in this window, simply click OK, and now we don't have any overlapping object here. So now if you click here, you'll see that we only have a single line. And similarly, if there would have been any object which are overlapping any other object in this drawing, that would also have been removed. So this was all about erase, explode and overkill command of AutoCAD.